Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carrie, and it is time to unbox Bunny Beauty Box once again. Bunny Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. It contains 4 to 6 full-size products that are usually makeup and cosmetics, but it sometimes could be tools or accessories like brushes or something for your hair. Anyways, it is $35 a month unless you pay for 3 months at a time or 6 months at a time, then it's less. But yes, it is a monthly subscription box. It bills toward the end of the month and it goes out at the very beginning of the month, and you get it right about now in the first week. All the products are cruelty-free and vegan. So here is the box. It has got a cute pink tape here that says Bunny Beauty Box, and inside it comes with the tissue paper. You open it up and there's all the goodness in there. It gives you a little card with information about each item and the MSRP. Like I said, I paid $35 for this. So no matter what the actual value is, you're only paying $35. So first things first, I have Flora and Fauna Babyface Age Defying Serum. This goes for $19. So that's part of the cost of the box. It's an age-defying serum that combines a dozen restorative natural ingredients like aloe leaf juice, vitamin E, organic blue-green algae, and organic neem seed oil to give your skin a healthy dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Well, let's see. Cute packaging. Look there. It says it improves skin's natural firmness, restores skin's vitality, locks in moisture and nutrients, and stimulates collagen production. So, it's sealed. A second. So let's put a drop on the hand. It's kind of a milky serum. There's no scent. And my skin is soaking it right up. It's a little bit tacky and smooth. It went from tacky to real nice and soft and smooth really quick. So this might be a good thing to have. Next up, I have All Heart for the Love of Grays. All Heart is an 8-free formula nail polish. Means it's free of 8 of the toxic ingredients that are usually found in nail polishes. For the Love of Gray is a gorgeous light gray that is perfect for the fall season. Long-lasting shine, and $1 from each bottle sold will be donated to Pearl, which is Parrot Education, Adoption, and Rejoining League. The MSRP of this is $16. So this paired with the serum is the cost of the box right there. But yeah, it's a very pretty color. I'll be interested in trying it out, that's for sure. An 8-piece brush. It's the Johnny Concert Vegan Eyeshadow Brush Set. It goes for $25. The brushes are made from ultra silky, non-shed synthetic fibers and curated with love to inspire your inner muse with precision and grace, or your unapologetic inner rebel. Johnny Concert, okay. Never have heard of them. Let's check these out. They are individually packaged, and let's see this. Feels good. Feels soft. So awesome. New brushes, I can always use those. There are 7 more in here. can get them all out. Show you a bunch of mostly eye brushes. This one could be for sealer. Very nice. Awesome. And last but not least, we have something in bubble wrap here. It is from Trading Mecca. It's the Hollow Rain palette. It's very pretty packaging. Hollow Rain eyeshadow palette goes for $25. Trading Mecca Hollow Rain eyeshadow palette is a highly blendable and highly pigmented palette. It is the perfect contrast between Out of This World and soft glam shades. And here we have the palette, and it comes out of its carton. Oh, very pretty. Let me get this film off. That's a thing. It does have a mirror, a little one, but it's there. And here are the beautiful colors inside. Swatch a few of them. There is a dark steel blue in the middle. Oh, wow, what a pretty shift. Here's one of the mattes. Here's a green. And I put that on the top there. This one. Very pretty. I'll be anxious to try this out. Ooh, it has a magnetic closure. Okay, so nice little palette here, and like I said, that's normally $25. So altogether, we have about $85 worth of stuff that we got for $35. So that's not too bad at all. Plus, it's cruelty-free and vegan, and that's always good. I am slowly transitioning to completely cruelty-free makeup, and if you haven't heard, by the way, CoverGirl has gone cruelty-free. So there's a nice big drugstore brand that has also gone cruelty-free. I'm glad to hear it, glad to see it happening. I'm glad to see the industry changing, because I really do like to support cruelty-free brands. Anyways, that is everything from Bunny Beauty Box this month. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and hopefully soon I'll have a video up trying out this palette, because it looks really interesting. And this blue right here in the middle is just calling my name, so I'll have to try that soon. Alrighty, everybody, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the little bell so that you're notified of all my uploads every time they happen. And tell your friends, bring them on over. There's plenty of room, and the coffee is always on. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.